Difference is night and day. Runs like a brand new engine and machine. Doesn't stall, doesn't hesitate, runs on choke fully off, has way more power. It's actually got decent power for a 5 horsepower. It's just a matter of keeping it up, but God, it's like night and day difference. Unbelievable. All right, this is getting finished up today. This is gonna be a good machine for somebody. That thing packs a punch for a 5. Just as good as the 8 I had, really. It's unbelievable. Running at 3,600 RPM, no higher. Idles down at about 1,900, 2,000, right in that range, right where it's supposed to be. It's perfect. Issue solved.